Guys, for today's video, merong bagong may bagong bank product si CIMB. And thank you sa isang viewer natin, which is siya. Thank you kay sir na nag-message siya sa atin na nag-inform na meron ng bagong product si CIMB and baka daw pwede nating i-review. So, yun na nga. So, ang pag-usapan natin ngayon ay ang MaxiSave ni CIMB. So, kung gusto mong malaman kung ano to, well, samahan niyo ako pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new here in my channel, I do reviews about entrepreneurship, small business, and personal finance na meron na akong experience. Ginawa ko na yan ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Okay guys, so I think this is our first time to review in-depth yung time deposit ng mga banks na nagtatransact na online. So, si CIMB ay nagkaroon na ng additional product which is sinatawag nilang MaxiSave. In short, it's a time deposit. For us to check the details of this time deposit, let's check muna yung kanyang website kung ano yung ino-offer or ina-advertise ni CIMB with regards to MaxiSave. Let's head over dito sa CIMB website. So, cimbbank.com.ph and then click nyo lang yung tatlong dash sa upper left, digital banking, our products. Scroll natin pababa, makikita na natin yung bagong product nila, yung pinakahuli, which is the MaxiSave. MaxiSave, maximize your savings, maximize your future daw. Sabi niya dito, MaxiSave, next gen time deposit. Your savings, your terms, earn the highest interest rate in the market up to 7.5% per annum. Up to 7.5% daw yung pinakamataas na interest rate na pwede nilang i-offer sa inyong time deposit. Okay, so ito yung interest rate nila. Maximize your savings with the best interest rate at a flexible term. Kapag 6 months daw, ang interest rate na ibinibigay nila ay 6.5% per annum. Pag 12 months, 7%. And pag 24 months, 7.5%. Ang minimum na pwede nyong i-deposit dito is 10,000 pesos. And ang maximum naman is up to 1 million pesos. So kung magde-deposit kayo na more than 10,000 pesos, kailangan daw na denominations ng tig 1,000. So 10,000, 11,000, 12,000, so on and so forth. So bawal ang butal. Okay, benefits, maximize earning. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Discover the advantage of long-term savings, enjoy the highest interest rate. Parang inulit lang naman. Parang wala naman. Yun nga, sabi up to 7.5%. Choose your interest rate, define your terms. Parang benefit ba to? Have as many accounts for each of your saving goals. Okay. So sabi naman dito, you can open a time deposit ng hanggang 5 account. So kung meron talaga kayong pinag-iipunan, well, pwede nyo nang i-segregate per goal yung pera nyo. Okay, so kunyari, meron akong family vacation, tipong sa lahat kami dito sa family, pinag-iipunan ko yan. Well, pwede kong ilaan yung isang account na time deposit na gagawin ko for my family vacation. So on and so forth. Okay, so next, paano ba magbukas ang time deposit with CIMB? So basically, kailangan meron na kayong CIMB account, registered na kayo, meron na kayong savings account with them, yung UpSave yan. Kung meron na kayo yan, pwede na kayo magbukas na itong MaxiSave na time deposit. So, open nyo lang yung CIMB account nyo, mag-login kayo, and then select open an account, then choose MaxiSave time deposit. Ayan. Step 2 is, syempre, kailangan mong i-check yung box and agree dun sa terms and condition. And then step 3, you now need to key in yung details ng time deposit, which is the kung magkano yung ilalagay mo, principal amount, and then yung terms. And also dito, pinapakita na rin naman dyan yung interest na ma-earn ng pera mo. So, kung kunyari maglalagay ka ng 1 million, ayan, makikita mo na kung magkano yung interest na makukuha mo dyan sa CIMB app. Once okay ka na dyan, just click continue. Okay, step 4 is for you to customize na yung account. Lalagyan mo na siya ng nickname, ganyan. And then, ilalagay mo rin kung saang account makikredit yung principal and interest ng time deposit mo. Also, meron din dyan na renewal type kung gusto mo mag-auto-renew kunyari mag-auto-renew yung principal mo or principal with interest, yan. So, pwede naman. Step 5, you just need to review the full details ng inyong time deposit, ng inyong max save time deposit, and then click continue. And then yan, step 6 or the final page, which is na-create na ang inyong time deposit account. Some information about this max save time deposit. So, yung interest na makuha natin dito sa time deposit is also subjected to 20% withholding tax. So, kung magkano man yung kikitain ng pera nyo sa interest, minus 20% pa yan. Para lang aware tayong lahat. Siguro ito yung isa sa pwede nating i-highlight. The cooling off period. So, basahin ko to sa inyo. Okay, cooling off period. You are provided a cooling off period of 2 calendar days from the creation of time deposit. During the cooling off period, you may opt to close your time deposit account without incurring any charges or fees. However, you will also not receive any interest earned during this period. Upon closure, they will release the full amount to your nominated settlement account. Okay, so ito daw yung mga fees involved. Like if for example, ipapa-pre-terminate mo na yung time deposit mo na hindi pa siya magmamature, so ito yung fees daw. Cancel during the first half of the term, 50% ng gross interest ang ikakaltas dun sa na-earn na interest ng pera mo. If cancel naman during the second half of your term, well, 25% na lang ang ikakaltas nila sa gross interest. They have a sample computation here. Sabi nila dito, for example, ang principal amount mo daw ay 50,000 pesos. Ang term mo ay 182 days or 6 months. So, ang interest rate mo ay 6% per annum. So, basically, multiply mo lang naman yan ng 50,000 times 0.06 divided by 360 days. It will give you 8.33 per day times 182 days. Basically, 1,516 ang total interest earned. Times natin yan sa 0.8, which is nabawas na natin yung 20% na withholding tax. Then, ang matatanggap natin na interest earned ng 50,000 pesos natin sa loob ng 6 na buwan ay 1,213 pesos. So, some things na kailangan kong i-highlight dito sa computation na to. Well, hindi siya kaparehas ng normal na ginagawa nating computation sa mga other online banks or digital banks na 365 days. CCIMB ang computation niya ay 360 days lang. So, hindi ko rin alam kung bakit 360 days, pero iyan ang calculation nila. Which is mas maganda kasi kahit papano, mas mataas yung interest na makukuha natin. So now na nakita na natin yung details ng max save time deposit ni CIMB, kung i-compare natin yan sa traditional banks na savings and time deposit, hindi hamak na mas malaki talaga ang interest na makukuha natin from CIMB. However, ito yun guys, kung i-compare naman natin yan sa ibang banks na nagtatransact online, well, sa ngayon na nakikita ko na lang na contender dito or comparison natin in terms of savings ay si Own Bank na merong 6%. Okay, kung i-compare natin si CIMB Max Save versus Own Bank na may 6% sa savings niya, parang sa akin mas logical na kay Own Bank na lang ako maglalagay ng pera. Kasi, pare silang 6%, hindi nakalock yung pera ko with Own Bank. Anytime na emergency, kailanganin ko, pwede kong mahatak yung pera ko with Own Bank. Kay CIMB naman, pwede mo rin naman makuha yung pera mo, pero yun nga lang, hindi mo makukuha yung full interest. Kasi sa nasabi ko nga kanina na merong pre-termination fee. So, kung i-compare mo lang yung dalawa, well, mas okay si Own Bank. Lalo na buo mo makukuha yung interest based dun sa number of days na nandun yung pera mo kay Own Bank. However, papasok pa rin dyan yung preference nyo kung mas feel safe kayo with CIMB or kay Own Bank. So, nasa sa inyo na yun. Pero pinapakita ko lang dito, logically, mas maganda kung kay Own Bank nga versus kay CIMB. Pero kung security-wise or kung dependability, well, nasa sa inyo na yun kung sino yung pipiliin nyo sa dalawa. Okay? So, yun lang naman for today's video. Okay, for our question of the day. Kung papapiliin ka sa dalawa between CIMB Max Save time deposit, which is malalak ang pera mo, versus kay Own Bank na savings at 6% din, na hindi naman malalak ang pera mo, ano yung preference mo sa dalawa? Let me know sa comment section at mayroon kayong chance na manalo ng 1,000 pesos GCash every week. Also, huwag niyo kalimutan maglagay ng hashtag #GoTo75K subs and mag-like and subscribe dito sa aking channel for your chance naman na manalo ng isang cellphone sa ating cellphone giveaway once we reach the 75K milestone, which is malapit na malapit na. So ano pa bang hinihintay nyo? Mag-comment na kayo sa baba. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout muna tayo at shoutout kay at Steve Parinas 4473. Sabi niya, hello Sir Pat. Actually, lately lang ako na-educate tungkol sa value ng pera natin regarding inflation concern. Nakakalungkot pero true, yung purchasing power ng pera natin is di na gaya before. Bilis. Kaya big factor ang mga offer ng nag-digital bank. I mean, nakaka-engganyo talaga sila. So, I go po with digital bank. Thank you for educating us sa mga review. At Steve Parinas 4473, maraming salamat at na-appreciate mo yung review natin dito sa ating channel. Actually, ikaw yung unang naka-notice o nakapagbigay ng highlight in terms of inflation. Kasi kung hindi natin ito binibigyan ng kung hindi natin fina-factor in ng inflation, kahit ipon tayo ng ipon, bumababa lang yung value ng pera natin. So, parang walang sense, di ba? So, na-appreciate ko na natutunan mo yung importance na malaman natin din ang inflation. Okay? Yun lang muna po for today's video. I hope you can like this video. Leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan. But continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabi ng subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!